Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make Gateau Arrouille, and this is the most popular fritters in Mauritius, which is taro fritters, and I'm using taro for this, and this is about 2 pounds of taro. I have already peeled the skin and this is ready to grate, and I have the bowl here to mix everything. And this is plain flour and tapioca powder, sugar, grated ginger, you can use ginger paste, salt, and my secret ingredient is I like to add 1 tomato blend into paste in my taro fritters. So I'm gonna cut this tomato, no water needed. I'm just gonna blend this, and then when it's time to mix the Gateau Arrouille, the taro fritters, and I'm gonna add this tomatoes. So for now, let me go grate all of these taro, and then we're gonna move forward. Finally, I have grated all of them. Took me a long time. I'm not good at grating, honestly. And now I'm gonna add my salt. This is 2 pounds, so add a generous amount of salt, don't be scared. Sugar is very important in Gateau Arrouille, and ginger. My secret ingredient, the tomatoes, and the plain flour and the cornstarch, not cornstarch, tapioca powder. And then I'm gonna use my hand, I'm gonna mix this, but before I go ahead, bring a large pot of oil to preheat. While you're mixing this, the oil will be preheating over there, and then we're gonna go fry them. So just mix this nicely, and this is what you're looking for. And do not add any water when you add the ginger and the tomatoes. They're all a little bit, there is moisture in it, and the tomatoes, I didn't add any water, I just blended it just as is. And you guys know that tomato release a lot of water. Now this is what you're looking for. So after you're mixing everything, you have to try on, like, create the ball like this and make sure they stays, and if they are not, then something may be missing in this recipe, because the amount that I'm gonna give you will be in the description box down below, the full ingredients. Just please follow that, and then you should be fine. And now, so our Gateau Arrouille is ready to go fry. Let me go wash my hand, and then we're gonna go fry them. Okay guys, my oil is preheating, and please don't mind this oil. I have just finished frying something and I don't like wasting, so I'm just gonna use the same oil to fry my Gateau Arrouille. And quickly you're gonna grab a portion like this, and you're gonna form it into a bowl, and then just throw them in the hot oil. Heat is over medium. It is so easy to grab and to roll them into bowl, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this pan, not overcrowded. Then the oil temperature gonna go down, and Gateau Arrouille, the taro fritters, take a little bit time to fry. So just give it some time and patiently let it fry, so inside can be cooked and outside should be super golden brown and super crisp. Okay, just to give you guys an idea, it's been 10 minutes and the heat is over medium high. Okay, so you can see the taro is cooking, but there's nothing like showing that this is done. So this is really gonna take some time to cook, so have patience and turn them around. So flip them so they can cook on the other side as well. And our Gateau Arrouille, the taro fritters, is looking gorgeous, and it is crispy outside. Let it cool a little bit, and then you're gonna feel it you're gonna take a fork and then you're gonna feel the noise. Inside it will be chewy and outside crispy. Let the oil drain and have a plate with paper towel ready. And Gateau Arrouille, which is so popular in Mauritius, even I go Mauritius and I never forget this Gateau Arrouille. I have to get this on the way out for shopping. I actually wanna, you have to hear this, you guys need to hear this. And yes, I do have some chutney over here, which is just some fresh coriander, tomatoes and green chilies. Sometimes I add garlic, sometimes I don't. Like today I didn't add any garlic, just a little bit of salt and blend it. No water, just blend it. And let's try. You're welcome. Here. So good. Some chutney. This is so good. You guys have to try this. Rate and recipe will be down below in the description box. I will see you guys next time. Bye.